I'm Erika Lindberg, and I work for the Regional Resource Center of Östergötland, and that is a part of the County Administrative Board of Östergötland. Östergötland is a part of what you can say East Sweden, and I and Lisbeth are here today to talk about a project idea. It's not a project yet, it's just an idea today. And we are working on the project plan, and we also have made some pre-studies, and we are able to do so because we have SIDA money and also money from the administrative board. I will start with some backgrounds. Let's see. No? Is this? No. The County Administrative Board of Östergötland and Women Resource Centers of Östergötland, today you can maybe say WIMNET instead, has been working with promoting female entrepreneurship for the last 10 years, and even more than the last 10 years. You can say the work has been carried out on different levels, for example, local, as in Lisbeth's case, in the local resource center of the city of Norrköping, and also in the whole country, as in my case, and also internationally through different EU projects and also with a project with SIDA money. If you ask who is starting an innovative business, women in Sweden are just likely to say they want to start this kind of business as men. There are no differences, and if it's not a difference when you ask this type of questions, you can wonder, are there issues to discuss innovation and gender? But if you look closer to the studies, for example, female or women are underrepresented in the studies. There are not so many respondents, for example, and that indicates something. We also had statistics here today. I'm sorry, I forget the name, but if you look at the statistics when in the innovation field, there are a lack of in statistics. The Swedish Patent and Registration Office have little or no statistics when it comes to gender. It's the same as in other fields, of course, but also when it comes to innovations, they're not registered gender. The statistics which are able to find is also mostly regarding medium-sized or large enterprises. It's easy to miss that the smaller companies and the person who have the innovative ideas. Sophia talked also about innovation and different support to different fields. And this connects to this. You can also discuss how we define innovations. Different studies show that the focus is on male contributions and in the field of innovations. Mostly, as we heard, the industrial fields, technology is dominated, and is dominated by men, and these are the fields who get a lot of the support. When it comes to more female fields of innovations, they are more invisible and also giving less support. You can say women are underrepresented in innovations. So, here we have a weak point. Women innovators need better access to the support system because the public innovation system of today is affected by the gender structure. Today, the public support system disadvantages women as innovators. It's also affected the demand we have today on increased regional development, for example. So, if we go to the Baltic Sea strategy, the EU strategy for Baltic Sea has, for example, one of the priorities is to explore the full potential of research and innovation field, and to take care of and make the most of the potential of women within this field of innovation is a challenge. So, if you look, for example, on different index, for example, this Innovation Capacity Index, you will find that the Sweden neighborhood Baltic states rank between 20 and 40 regarding conditions for innovations. It's just Finland and Denmark which are better ranked. So, is someone able to tell me where Sweden is in this type of rank? Someone who dare to guess?
20.
No, it's better than that. I don't think many know this, but Sweden is ranked as number 1. Sweden are what we in the report called a benchmark for other countries. And maybe you wonder why then, because you don't believe that. The strength is in the field of human resources, finance and support, and firm investments. But everything is, of course, not perfect anyway. If you look closer, we also can see that Sweden are a slow grower regarding innovation, and by that I mean that Sweden it takes time to good ideas to get to the market in Sweden. So we still have a lot to gain from cooperating with other Baltic seas to discuss this type of problem. We also show weakness to get ideas to a commercial product, not just to go to the market. So we find working with our neighbor states and make joint efforts should be good for the whole region. And that's why we now discuss different project ideas and working with a project plan. So I believe, Lisbeth, you can continue with actually the project idea.